Hey friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs for free. Now, as you can see here guys, I'm in ChatGPT and I've got a little scary story for you with no more than 500 words. We're going to put this into ElevenLabs and convert it from text to speech. So how do you use ElevenLabs for free? Open your browser and type in ElevenLabs.io. So once you do that, you'll head over to ElevenLabs website. You can create your own account. As you can see here, it says try for free. And once you click on that, it will take you over where you can quickly sign in with your Gmail account, or you can quickly sign up there. So I'm going to sign in with Gmail as an example here, connect into ElevenLabs here with my account, and it's going to quickly create a nice little profile for me here that I can start using it. Keep in mind that you don't even have to sign in ElevenLabs as well. You can just simply use it from the outside. But I'm going to choose the light mode account here, and here it mentioned, okay, tell a little bit about yourself. You can go ahead and you can say, okay, my name, I'm going to write Learn AI as an example. So let's type in Learn AI for the name. And I can say the date of birth. I'm going to make up something. October, let's say 1989. Let's put it like that, 1989. Click on next. And here, you can say what you're going to use ElevenLabs for. You can say YouTube. So an example on about you, I'm going to say I'm a creator, YouTuber as an example. And yeah, you can just say from text to speech or whatever you want to choose, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click get started. And here you can see I'm inside ElevenLabs and I'm going to use it for free. So how do you use it? Just simply go ahead and enter your text here. So I'm going to go head over back to the ChatGPT here and copy this short story. Go back to ElevenLabs and put it here. And as you can see here, it will tell me how much. Right, so here I want to mention that when you're using ElevenLabs, guys, you basically get 10,000 credits per month, right? So you have that, and depending on how much words you're using, you can see how much it will take from the 10,000 credit that you have. So you will see how much characters you're using up, and depending on how much characters you're using up, that's going to determine how much of that 10,000 credits it will actually take. So now I have the script. I can choose the voices on the left hand side. So here you can see it's currently using Rachel. I can go ahead and I can go through it and I can find different voices that I can choose from. How do you hear those voices? Just by simply clicking on them and you can hear them play. So for example, this one here.
I think this is a really nice way to just talk naturally together.
I just love talking about movies, TV shows.
Some really cool voices.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
There is no greater harm than that of time.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence...
The thing always happens that you really believe in. And
life without love is like a tree without blossoms or...
And I like this column voice. So let's say I'm going to choose this column voice here to be the voice that I want to generate, or let's say the voice for the scary story. I'm going to select it, and as you can see, the voice now changes. I'm going to leave the model as is. Now, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on generate, and it's going to generate this from text.
Lena hated the old mirror in her grandmother's house. It was tall, antique, and slightly warped. Its surface forever smudged no matter how much she cleaned it. But what disturbed her the most was how, sometimes, her reflection didn't move quite right. She first noticed it one evening while brushing.
Here you can hear it. So guys, while it's currently generating, as you can see, it generates there. It's about 2 minutes. Once you're finished with it, you can simply go ahead and click the download button on the lower right hand side. So click on that and you'll be able to download that audio from text to speech that you've created within ElevenLabs. How cool is that? So this is all my story. It's generated for me. I can listen it and I can also download that as well. And as you can see, it's downloaded. I have the audio.
Lena hated the old mirror in her grandmother's house. It was shaking. She turned the mirror forward. Lena turned to run to the kitchen, smiling.
That's cool, right? And that's it, guys. That's how to use ElevenLabs for free. Very easy and very simple. You can use this unlimitedly. Every single month you get 10,000 credits that you can use. So depending on how much you're using to convert, you always can use ElevenLabs absolutely free. I want to mention that they also have different subscription that you can easily use. So if at any point in time you want to upgrade, they have a ton of different subscription that you can easily go ahead and choose from. So you want to click your profile in the lower left hand side, then click on subscription, and here you will see all those different subscriptions that you can choose from. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Choose a subscription if you want to upgrade, and you can basically have more credits so you can do more at any point in time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.